कराची के मुकामी होटल में राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल की जानिब से रशिया की काजान फेडरल यूनिवर्सिटी मॉस्को से आए वफ्द के लिए इस्तकबाली का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसमें कराची में तैनात रूसी कौंसल जनरल मिस्टर आंद्रे विक्टोरोविच फेडरोव, काजान यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस रेक्टर मिस्टर अलीशोव तैमेर खान ब्लाटोविच, काजान यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोफेसर्स, वफाकी उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर राब्ता खान शिनवारी और राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल के रिसर्च ऑफिसर्स भी मौजूद थे। चेयरमैन राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल जनाब नुसरत मिर्जा ने इस्तकबालिया से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि दोनों मुमालिक के ताल्लुकात में वुसअत देना वक्त की ज़रूरत है। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आइए सुनते हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Very good morning to all of our Russian friends, and it is absolute pleasure and honor to welcome our esteemed guest today, especially His Excellency Andrei Viktorovich Fedorov, Consul General, the Honorable Director of Kazan, Excellency Mr. Alishev Tamar Khan, and Professor Dr. Rabta Khan Shinwari Saab, and other distinguished dignitaries from Russian and Pakistan. Your presence here makes this gathering all the more special, and I believe it has been quite some time since we had such a remarkable meeting. On behalf of Rabta Forum International, I extend my heartiest gratitude for accepting our humble invitation on such short notice. This short gathering is simply to say you all are most welcome to you all are most welcome in Pakistan. Your visit is not just appreciated, it is celebrated. We truly value this opportunity to connect, exchange ideas, and reaffirm that the doors of collaboration between our nations remain wide open. Here I would like to briefly introduce my organization, Rabta Forum International. Established in 2005, RFI is more than just a think tank. It is a bridge between minds, a platform for meaningful discourse, a space where ideas turn into action. Our work brings together academia, social leaders, media, professional and visionaries from all walks of life, fostering discussion that shape regional and global perspectives. At RFI, we organize national and international conferences, publish 2 reputable strategic affairs magazines, and product research papers, books, thought-provoking talk shows, podcasts, and documentaries that descend pressing global issues and explore paths forward. To us, having you today is not just an occasion, it is an opportunity. We see this as the beginning of something larger, a spark that can ignite deeper collaboration. We would be truly honored to host you again at the Grand International Conference, and likewise we look forward to the privilege of being welcomed in Russia. Such exchanges are not just diplomatic gestures, they are the threads that weave a stronger bond between nations. So once again, thank you. Thank you for your time, your presence, and your warmth you bring with you. May this be the start of many conversations, many initiatives, and a long-standing partnership that flourishes the spirit of mutual respect and progress. Thank you very much.
राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल के इस्तकबालिये में रूसी कौंसल जनरल ने भी खुसूसी शिरकत की। उनका कहना था कि पाकिस्तान से मुख्तलिफ शोबों में ताउन बढ़ा रहे हैं। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आइए जानते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to welcome you all at the opening ceremony of the first Pakistan-Russia conference on the evolving Pakistan-Russia relationship in a changing global order, jointly organized by the Federal Urdu University of Arts, Science and Technology and Kazan Federal University. This groundbreaking event is another manifestation of the fact that the ties between our countries have entered the stage of rapid progress and transformation into a long-lasting partnership based on mutual trust. As it was underlined by Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, Russian-Pakistan relations are developing progressively, and the current period is the most positive one in many decades. The recent milestones, such as the chain of visits of the high-level Russian delegations, to Islamabad in the previous year and the number of road maps on various economic projects clearly show this trend. At the same time, various bilateral ventures require consistent and highly quality research from university and think tanks, while their analytical papers and articles stir further interest of politicians and businessmen to discover new areas of cooperation. Such a positive reinforcement created between scientists and decision makers is critically important in our mission, which is why I hope that such events will be held on a regular basis in the future. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of the conference for their hard work and efforts to successfully bring the intellectual elites of both countries here to Karachi. The density of the program and the number of guest speakers from both Russia and Pakistan clearly reflect the interest of scientific, think tank, political, diplomatic, and business communities in exploring the opportunities to further strengthen our bilateral cooperation in all dimensions, such as trade, economics, energy, information technology, security, culture, education, etc. The level of expertise and wide coverage of topics will definitely ensure interesting and fruitful decisions, which would result in many positive insights. I hope that the first Pakistani-Russian conference on the involving Pakistan-Russia relationship in a changing global world order will enrich our knowledge about each other's nations, help us find new prospects to elevate our partnership to a higher level and provide greater contribution to solidifying Russia-Pakistan friendship. I want to stress that I'm very happy to work here in Karachi in a very historical moment. So I hope together we will do a lot and we will boost Pakistan-Russia relations. So I can say Russian-Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you very much.
काजान यूनिवर्सिटी के वॉइस रेक्टर ने राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल की काविशों को सराहते हुए कहा कि दोनों मुल्कों की तालीमी और दीगर इदारों में रवाबित कायम करना ज़रूरी है.
Dear colleagues, dear Nusrat Mirza, thank you for gathering us before the opening ceremony. And I just want to say that for us this is a real pleasure to be here with you. I want to say a personal thank you to Vice Chancellor of the FUUAST University. Thank you for proposing, and your organizing team, of course, thank you for proposing to organize this ceremony, this conference. And of course, thank you for inviting Kazan University to be part of it as a co-organizer. This is our pleasure and of course our responsibility. This is a very good initiative, and we already had discussion that such conferences should continue. And I hope that this is just the first one, and we will continue maybe in Russia, in Kazan, with the second one, and then the third one here again in Pakistan. So I think this will be a good chance for the academic community who is interested in Russian-Pakistani relations together to exchange their views. Of course, as General Consul just mentioned, the number of topics is very wide, related to international relations per se, to politics, to social area, to education. We have a very positive international background at the moment for such meetings. You know, last year I just visited the embassy of Russian Federation in Islamabad, and the ambassador told me that just last year there were several visits of high-ranking officials from Russian Federation. Like in September we had the visit of Vice Prime Minister. On October there was a visit of Prime Minister of Russian Federation. In November there was a visit of the chairman of the Federal Council of Russian Federation. And during each of these visits, like the most friendly, the most positive views were expressed on the further development of Russian-Pakistani relations. And I hope that using this good background we will develop in different areas, starting from education, my sphere, continuing with logistics, with economy, every sphere, every area of possible cooperation. So I just want to thank you very much indeed again, and I hope that we will continue our good relations, not only in organizing the conferences, but in academic exchange, We are waiting for young researchers in Russia, and I know that a lot of Russian researchers are interested to come to Pakistan to study culture, to study Urdu language, and to check the possibility of further development of academic relations. So thank you very much indeed again. Thank you.
राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल के इस्तकबालिये में वाइस चांसलर फेडरल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी भी शरीक थे। इस्तकबाली से खिताब में उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान और रूस के बढ़ते ताल्लुकात खुशाइंद हैं।
Thank you very much, His Excellency Konstantin Mogilevsky. I hope I pronounce it properly. Mr. Nusrat Mirza Saab, thanks for gathering all of us, and I'm really grateful to Alishe Temur Khan Bolatovich. Okay, it's really a very, very pleasant day for us, for our university. You don't know how pleased I am today, how happy I am today, because we really want to have very, very good relation with Russian friends, and particularly your university is a very famous university, and we are very sure that it will be a win-win for both Pakistan and Russia. Our university, I have a brilliant staff. I'm grateful to all of my colleagues for organizing all this. We are having 2 campuses here and 1 campus in Islamabad. If I knew you were in Islamabad, I should have catch you for a dinner with me. You would have loved to enjoy Islamabad next time when you are there. I remain Secretary General of Pakistan Academy of Sciences, so it's a very good place where we could have a rooftop dinner next time. I invite you to come there. So it's really a great moment for all of us, for Pakistan. Russia, we should not miss to get a lot of benefit from Russian friends, and vice versa. We would love to send our faculty to your university. We would love to receive your professor here. And I'm pleased to tell you that probably we are the first university in the country to offering Russian languages courses in Karachi now, and in future in Islamabad also. So we would love to offer this language, and vice versa. We would be very happy not to keep it only to international relation, economics, and other benefits that we can benefit from each other, but also this global, it's now a global village. We can talk about modern technologies, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. We have accredited, programs both here and in Islamabad. You would love to see Islamabad campus also. So we would be pleased to, because if there are issues, let's say we had a terrible experience of corona. Myself, I'm a biologist, so we can talk about, genomics, we can talk about biotechnology, we can talk about many, many things. It's a big canvas. So it's really a historic moment for Pakistan, for Karachi, and thanks to you also for hosting us, all of you. And I'm sure from our side, it's like a clean slate for you. Whatever you want, you can write on it. We offer you anything, any possible kind of collaboration. We are academia, and because the ultimate goal of all of us is a peaceful world for all the human beings, irrespective of caste, color, religion, etc. We are all human beings, and we would love to see this world as prosperous, good, peaceful world for everybody. So that is the goal of your university. And secondly, because of climate change, because of biodiversity issues, because of other issues that the world is confronted with, our university will offer you all the support in working together to save this planet. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming. And believe me, we are very pleased, very happy. And I'm sorry if there is any shortcoming, because we are also a new university in a way. Kazan is a very old university, a very good university. But at the same time, we will be doing our best to keep you happy here. And the next time, in May, I'm sure I will personally like to go to Russia. Last time I was supposed to go, somehow I couldn't manage. In the Far Eastern Academy of Sciences, they invited me. So this time I will make sure that I go there along with my team, and we will make another good event in Kazan. And this will not end there. This is the first one, not the last one. And I hope that every year we will have 2, one here, one there. And His Excellency will make sure that many, many Russian scientists come here. I'm happy to see Many of them yesterday we had a very good meeting with political scientists and with a person from specialist in Africa. She was talking a lot of good. So I'm sure that this friendship, this bond will strengthen, and we will work like brothers with each other to make a very peaceful world. Inshallah, we say in our language. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
कराची के मुकामी होटल में मुनक्कदा राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल के इस्तकबालिये से मजीद मुकर्ररीन ने भी खिताब करते हुए अपने ख्यालात का इजहार किया और राब्ता फोरम इंटरनेशनल की काविशों को सराहा।